In this video, we'll guide you step by step through installing, programming, and testing your OAM-Explorer for optimal performance. The first step in installing your sensor is determining the appropriate mounting configuration. For standard installations, the sensor must be mounted at the top, directly over the center of the door. If the sensor will be exposed to high vibrations, use the OAM mount, a 36-inch extension mount. This mount can be installed on either a wall or the ceiling. In this demonstration, the installation is shown on a wall for added stability in challenging environments. For sectional or vertical lift doors, use the OAMS mount. This setup requires you to provide your own angle iron, which will span the width of the door, ensuring secure and proper alignment. Step 2. Mounting the sensor. When mounting the sensor, ensure the larger active infrared window is on the left and the smaller microwave window is on the right for proper function. Secure the bracket, align the sensor's screw holes with the mounting surface, and tighten the screws firmly. Use a level to ensure the sensor is straight, as proper leveling is critical for accurate performance. Step 3. Adjusting the sensor angles. After mounting the sensor, loosen the angle adjustment screws on its sides to adjust the active infrared window on the left for safety and the microwave window on the right for motion activation. Set the active infrared window to 0 degrees and the microwave window to 30 to 35 degrees as a baseline, adjusting further as needed. Align the notches on each window with the embossed degree markings and use the bottom notch for wall mounting and the top notch for ceiling mounting. Tighten the screws to secure the angles. Step 4. Connecting the sensor cable and wiring. Once the sensor is affixed in place and the angles are set, connect the supplied cable to the back of the sensor. Ensure the connection is properly aligned and firmly seated. Listen and feel for the click to confirm the cable is securely connected. A proper connection is essential for reliable performance. Next, take the supplied cable and wire it to the door control board. Refer to your door manufacturer's manual to ensure the connections are accurate. For your convenience, detailed diagrams for all major door manufacturers are available on our website. Proper wiring is critical to functionality of the sensor with your door system. Now that the wiring is complete, the next step is to set the sensor parameters using our free app, available on Android and iOS. It is highly recommended to have the app pre-installed on your phone before heading to the job site. This ensures you can access it even in areas with spotty cell service. The app provides an interface to configure and fine-tune the sensor settings based on the specific application requirements. To program the OAM-Explorer, start by launching the app on your device. Ensure Bluetooth is enabled and the sensor is powered on. From the app's home screen, input your name and company name, then select the sensor from the list of available devices. Once selected, input the default password, which is 0000. This password can be changed later for enhanced security. Be sure to allow the connection and tap Pair to successfully connect. Next, input the installation address and site name. After entering this information, you will be directed to the status page. This page is a valuable tool during testing, as it will visually and audibly indicate when the detection patterns are triggered. Once connected to the sensor, you can customize its detection parameters by navigating to the Area tab. On iOS, this tab is located at the bottom of the page, and on Android, it is located at the top. In the Area tab, you can adjust the detection patterns for the microwave and active infrared windows to suit the environmental and end-user requirements. Common adjustments include immunity and human or cross-traffic cancellation settings. These allow you to optimize the sensor for reliable operation in different environments, reducing false activations while maintaining accurate detection. Next, explore the Output tab to configure the functions of the sensor's 3 available output relays. For each relay, you can assign specific output functions to fit the needs of the installation. As you make adjustments, any modified parameter will be highlighted in red. To save your changes, tap the Send button located at the top right corner of the screen and confirm the update. Once the changes are saved, the sensor is ready for testing and final adjustments. After saving your parameter changes, it's time to test the sensor's performance. Use the status page to visually and audibly verify when the detection patterns are triggered. This ensures the sensor is responding accurately to motion and safety conditions as configured. Once testing is complete and the sensor is operating as desired, navigate to the Info tab for additional configuration. Here, you can update the sensor's display name and change the password for enhanced security. This step makes it easier to identify the sensor in future connections, especially when working with multiple sensors. If you forget the updated password, please contact our technical support team for assistance. To simplify future installations, you can save your settings as a favorite. This option is located in the pancake icon section of the app at the top left corner of the screen, making it easy to access and apply these settings to similar future installations. Finally, tap the pancake icon in the top left corner of the app and select Log Out to disconnect from the sensor. With the sensor now installed, programmed, and tested, your setup is complete and ready for operation. If additional help is needed, our technical support team is always ready to assist. Be sure to check out our other installation and programming resources at optexamerica.com.